Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to locate your YouTube application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your YouTube application. To do that, you have to go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iPhone and update your YouTube application. Once updated, you can now open or launch your YouTube application. Here you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And then this time you have to look for Google account. Make sure that this is the channel that you want to delete. So double check and then tap on Google account. Here on Google account, what you're going to do next is you have to simply look for data and privacy. You have to tap on data and privacy right here. And under data and privacy, you have to scroll down and look for delete a Google service. So you have to click this one. Now here in delete a Google service, what you're going to do next is you have to look for the YouTube option. But before that, you need to verify first that it's you. And then here, once you're verified or once you have entered your password or fingerprint, then what you're going to do next is you have to tap on YouTube, click this trash bin icon right here or delete icon, click this one, and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, choose this I want to permanently delete my content. You can tap or check the boxes right here, including your content and your subscription. And once done, then all you need to do is tap on delete my content. It will not delete your Google account. It will just delete the content on your YouTube channel. So basically, that's how to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.